Hello, it's Rick Bo. I've got another project going today on the motorhome. What I've got to work with is this wall here behind the bed. It had a kind of a rounded headboard on it, but it looked pretty nasty, so we took it out of there, and now the border doesn't match. It's got two different borders on it. So what we got is this Heritage Series solid wood square edge planks. And they kind of look like old barn wood. And I think we're just going to cover that whole wall in them, and then I'm going to put a shelf over here somewhere, not full length, but just behind that light, and for cell phones and stuff like that on this side, because this side doesn't have any kind of a shelf on it. The other side's got the little table, bedside table there, so I don't really need anything over there, but this side doesn't have anything to put it on. And these lights have the USB charging ports on them, so I thought it'd be nice to be able to charge the cell phone. But anyway, let me get started and I'll update you on the progress. Okay, what I'm doing is I'm using some of this liquid nails on the back of these. And I could probably get away with just using the screws. I didn't want to use any more screws than I had to. See, the back wall has got a curvature to it, so with the liquid nails alone, it kind of wants to pop back out. So I'm putting a screw right in the middle where that bow is, and it holds it. I could probably even take the screws out after it dries, but it's supposed to be a old barn looking texture anyway, so it doesn't really matter if there's imperfections. I think it's going to look good. I need to get it all done before my wife gets down here, in case she doesn't like it. Makes me start over. If I get it all done, I'll tell her, I'm done. It's finished. Either like it or pound sand. Okay, I decided to cut it off here, make it go up with the cabinet. I thought about going all underneath there, but I thought it might look funny. I need my daughters here to make sure I don't mess up. But this is our motorhome, and I guess we'll do it the way we think looks best, even though I don't have any taste, or good taste. I might have some bad taste. Anyway, I got 3 courses up, and I think it looks good. And it's going up pretty fast. I had to do a little cutting to go underneath that lip there, and then to start going up there. But once I get up to here, I'll just have to go all the way across. Then it should go pretty fast. And really all that I've done already, you won't even really be able to see it because the bed covers it up. But okay, I'm going to carry on. Okay, there's where I'm at. I like that much going to the top. And I'm just wondering, should I stop there? Not go any further? Leave that as a headboard? Or should I go all the way to the top? I was going to put these boards on the side. All the way up to wherever I stop at. Then I'll build the little shelf off of that. But I just don't know. I need one of my daughters here to advise me. They got better design sense than I do. Because I almost feel like whatever I decide is going to be the wrong decision. I think it looks pretty good like that. It looks a lot better than it did. So that bed will push up against it like that. That'd be about the right size for a headboard. I don't know. Well, I made the call. Nobody showed up to help me. My wife spent 3 hours at the nail salon getting her nails done, and she's put out with them. But anyway, I think it looks pretty good. I built this little shelf here for a phone. And then it's got the USB port on the light there, so we can charge our phones. And I kind of put this extra layer of wood around it to kind of finish it off. And if they say it looks bad and I gotta go all the way to the top, then I can keep going. But I think it looks pretty good. And so this side has got a little tabletop, so I don't need a shelf over here. There's my project for the day. Thanks for watching, and talk to you next time.